There is a possibility a part of Japan will sink. It will not be an accident. It will be created by the world government.
We're going to cross over to Mike Fern in just a few seconds' time. For those of you that have just joined us, an 8.9 magnitude earthquake has struck off the coast of Japan, and a 10-meter-high tsunami has hit the coast, the northern coast of Japan as well.
We now know that meteors will land off the coast.
Evacuations are now underway.
People near the coast should evacuate immediately to higher ground.
We now know that meteors will land off the coast.
Evacuations are now underway.
10-meter-high tsunami has hit the coast, the northern coast of Japan. It's the 7th largest in recorded history. Let's get all the details. Mike Fern is our man in Tokyo. Mike, what's the latest?
Well, I don't know if you can see it, but I can certainly feel it. The aftershocks are continuing to rock buildings here in Tokyo.
These objects were completely undetected until they entered our atmosphere.
What we just witnessed come out of the ocean.
12 different locations across the globe were breached.
There are massive casualties in Moscow, Paris. We lost communications with Tokyo.
Tokyo, the capital further south, was feeling it as well in different ways. TV channels showed fires burning, people trapped in high-rise buildings.
We lost communications with Tokyo.
And Venezuelan leader Hugo Chavez has once again accused the United States of playing God. But this time it's Haiti's disastrous earthquake that he thinks the U.S. was behind. Spanish newspaper ABC quotes Chavez as saying that the U.S. Navy launched a weapon capable of inducing a powerful earthquake off the shore of Haiti. He adds that this time it was only a drill, and the final target is destroying and taking over Iran. The existence of a tectonic weapon has never been proved, but its use is often suspected by conspiracy theorists. For example, the leader of Georgia's Green Party accused Russia of being behind an earthquake on Georgian territory in 2002.